We often talk about politicians, retired military and civil bureaucrats, and we often give the references of their books in our discussions. But there are people who also have contributed for this society, for reformation of this society. Asif Hussain Shah is not a professional writer. Rather, he is a poor cab driver who believes that financial handicap is not a barrier to creative pursuits. He has written a book depicting his experiences as cab driver.
I was living in worst economic condition, and in these days idea came in my mind, it's better to write a book. And I wrote a book first time in my life, and I think in Pakistan also it's first time that a taxi driver has written a book. So now I'm feeling too proud to be a taxi driver and Pakistani also.
Asif's 120 pages book titled For Hire is not only available at the major bookshops of the capital but also making a good selling.
Excellent, number one. Because what I have observed, a lot of people, they have read this book. And as a taxi driver, he's written an excellent book.
Asif is committed to bring out an English translation of his book, but his desire is to take a world tour on his cab.
I am planning to take my taxi by road to the world to convey my message to the world that we Pakistani also work for peace. We need peace, interfaith harmony, and we are against terrorism. There are only 2 or 3% people or area we can say, but more than 95 or 98% people are cool and calm, and they have good thinking and wants to work for the world and wants to live with the world with better relationship.
Asif has not only pointed out different problems of our economic, social and political life, but also given some recommendations for resolving those issues. Thinking Pakistanis like Asif Shah hold the key to a bright future for the country. But the big question is, how many people are willing to turn adversity into an advantage through sheer will to survive and make a difference? E'zaz, News, Islamabad.